Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to block websites on Mac. For that, first of all, click on the Apple logo which is on the top left corner of your screen. Now from the drop down, choose System Preferences. Once you open the System Preferences, you will see Screen Time option available there. Simply click on that. Now on the left nav bar, you will see Content and Privacy option. Select that. Now, under the web content, make sure that you have selected Limit Adult Websites. To block the specific website, you just have to tap on Customize option available there. There you will see Allow and Restricted option. Under the Restricted, there you will see plus button at the bottom, tap on it. Here, paste the URL of the website that you want to block, and at last, click on OK. In this way, you can easily block websites on Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.